Hey everybody! I'm here today with a Sawtooth lacing tutorial. I will be showing you how to lace your shoes with a Sawtooth pattern. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a shoe and I have a shoelace. Now we're going to start off by getting our shoelace. We're going to feed it through the bottom two holes, okay? And we're going to feed it through in an out to in pattern. So from out to in. Okay, on both sides it's going from out to in. Now you can try and keep your shoelace nice and straight, but to save time for this tutorial, I'm just going to let it go however it wants to go. Make sure that your shoelace ends are spaced evenly, so grab both of them and just pull on them so that you know you have even spacing, roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want them to be roughly even. So now we have one lace on one side, one lace on the other side. Now it doesn't matter which side you start with, but you're going to follow the same pattern that I'm following. You can start with this side or this side. It's completely up to you. So I'm going to start on this side over here, and I'm not going to say left or right because, like I said, you can choose a different side, but I'm going to start with this side over here, and I'm basically going to go from in to out on the first available hole on the same side. So you can see I just put it on the first available hole on the same side. Okay, now I'm going to the other side, the one that I didn't work with yet, and I'm going across into out on the next available hole over here. So this is the next available hole on this side over here. So you can see I already did one of the like sawtooth portions, and then there's going to be a bar that goes across. So I'm going to take this lower lace over here on this side, go across, directly across like a bar, okay? And then we're going out to in. So directly across like a bar, out to in. Now I'm taking that same one that I just worked with, going across on the next available hole into out, like that, okay? The lower lace goes directly across like a bar, out to in. So directly across with the hole directly across, as you can see right there. Then I'm going across the other side, into out on the next available hole. So you can see we're basically following the same pattern. The lower one goes across, directly across, out to in. So as you can see right there, it forms a bar. And then we're doing the sawtooth. So across on the next upward available hole into out, okay? The lower lace goes across, out to in, forming the bar, and then we're going across on the next available upper hole into out. We form one more bar with the lower lace across, like that, out to in, and then to finish it off, you can see we have this lace coming out of the top one on this side, and then we have a free one on the top on this side. We're gonna go into out, just like that. So the same side over here, into out. That's it. That is literally how to do the sawtooth lacing pattern. Like I said, you know, you're going to want to do it nice and neatly, straighten your laces out. But as you can see, we have the bars going across, and we have the ones going upwards and across on a diagonal. It's very, very simple and easy to do. Take your time. You can make it look absolutely incredible, but I wanted to keep this tutorial nice and short and sweet while still explaining everything. So I just sort of did like a rough job. You can do it like this too. It still looks awesome. It's completely up to you. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.